It gives me great pleasure to present our Pearson Excellence Awards to such an elite group of students from your school. You're amongst the top performing Pearson edXL students out of hundreds of thousands of students around the globe. Congratulations on this hugely impressive performance. You represent the brightest young minds of your generation, and your skills and your knowledge and your ideas will undoubtedly shape the future of our societies and indeed the global community we live in. So we're really excited to see what you do next, and we wish you the very best of luck in your futures.